What makes a sound? Is it still a sound if no one hears it? Or is it just vibrating air and molecules? If you think about it this way, it seems that you need a mind in order to perceive a sound. You could try to produce what a sound is objectively with a mechanical model, but without a subjective observer, there would be no way to understand what the vibration sounds like. So what makes a sound? Is it the bowl? Or is it this mallet in my hand? Or is it my hand? Or is it all three? My hand picks up the mallet and hits the singing bowl. But why did my hand do that? Did I make my hand do that? If so, why? You can't ever know for sure why I did that. The reason why is completely subjective, but I'll tell you why. My mind decided to do it.